Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello guys, welcome back to my organization. Today I am going to show you some very beautiful, very healthy food and food plants and also a healthy medicine tree. I bought this all today. Due to lockdown, I just decided to plant some trees in my house because it's rainy season. It's exact and perfect time to tree plantation. This all will be planted in my fish farm around site. So today I got a assistant here. She's very cute. She will help me to identify the fish name and share with you. The first one is guava. This is betel nut. This is betel nut. This is it's very popular in our local. The second one is chili. It's very spicy and rare collection tree. The third one is, you may be mistake by seeing this. These are not orange or anything. It's a lemon tree, but it's very rare collection. We call it cot lemon. It's very popular for its production because it's produced more leaves than fruit. Sorry, I am wrong, telling you wrong. It produces more fruit than its leaves. It has very much productivity. And the third one and the fourth one and long one is it's red guava. It's long, very long. And the fifth one is jujube. It's a big size. 4 or 5 jujube, maybe 1 kilogram, or maybe 6, not much, 6 or 7. It has a beautiful flower in here, you can see. And the next one is dragon fruit. It's a red dragon. Those who are very interesting in fish maybe know that we have also guppy strain named red dragon. This is a red dragon fruit. And the next one is this is langan tree. And the next one is a medicine tree. It's a medicine tree. We call it holy basil. If you have any cough, fever, you can eat its leaves or you can eat its root. It's very healthy and helpful medicine tree. And the next one and the last one is this one. This one is, you can see, it's a star apple, or we can call also rose apple. So friends, this is all of it. You can see I bought all of them today, all these trees. You can also bought this time tree because this is rainy season. It's it's perfect time for planting trees in your house or around on your backyard. Thank you friend for watching this video. Hope this video will help you to identify some trees or remind you to buy some trees. Thank you friend. See you next video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?